Summit at Jagungal, midwinter, just over 2,000 metres. 4 days ski from the nearest person. Not a breath of wind. Time for a song on my poor old beaten up ukulele that struggled to make it here. Whole front end's cracked and caved in, so she's not ringing quite as true as she usually does. But we're going to give it a go. Nature Boy by Nick Cave. I was just a boy when I sit down and watch the news on TV. I saw some ordinary slaughter, I saw some routine atrocity. My father said, don't look away, you gotta be strong, you gotta be bold now. He said that in the end it is beauty that is going to save the world now. And she moves among the sparrows, and she floats upon the breeze, and she moves among the flowers, and she moves something deep inside of me. I was walking round the flower show like a leper coming down with some kind of nervous hysteria. I saw you standing there, green eyes, black hair, up against the pink and purple wisteria. You said, hey nature boy, you're looking at me with some unrighteous intention. My knees went weak, I couldn't speak, I was having thoughts that were not in my best interest to mention. And she moves among the flowers, and she floats upon the smoke, and she moves among the shadows, and she moves me with just one little look. You took me back to your place and dressed me up in a deep-sea diving suit. You played the patriot, you raised the flag, and I stood at full salute. Later on we smoked a pipe that struck me dumb and made it impossible to speak. It was then you closed in slow motion, quoting Sappho in the original Greek. And she moves among the shadows, and she floats upon the breeze, and she moves among the candles, and she moves me through the days and through the years. Years went by, we were walking by the sea, half delirious. You smiled at something and said, hey babe, I think this thing is getting kinda serious. You pointed at something and said, have you ever seen such a beautiful thing? It was then that I broke down, it was then that you lifted me up again. And she moves among the sparrows, and she walks across the sea, and she moves among the flowers, and she moves something deep inside of me. And she moves among the flowers, and she moves across the sea, and she moves among the flowers, and she moves right up next to me. Ooh, 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 ooh.